Jess Heslop Meditation. Welcome. Today we're diving into a life-changing meditation practice that could completely shift how you experience the world. Jess Heslop's meditation isn't just about sitting quietly. It's a portal to unlocking your deepest potential, breaking free from emotional barriers, and manifesting the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine finally finding the clarity and inner peace you've been craving. Sounds powerful, right? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to transform your mind and your life in ways you didn't think were possible. But before we dive in, ask yourself this: what happens if you walk away now? Sure, you could go back to the endless loop of stress, doubt, and overthinking. But what if this video contains the one technique that could break that cycle? What if the next 20 minutes hold the key to a breakthrough you've been waiting for? If you stop now, you might never discover how close you are to finding the clarity and confidence you need to change your story. So stay with me. Your future self will thank you. Unveiling the power of Jess Heslop meditation. Let's unravel the brilliance of Jess Heslop meditation, a practice that has quietly become a beacon of hope for thousands around the world. Unlike traditional meditation, which can sometimes feel rigid or abstract, Jess's approach is deeply personal and emotionally engaging. Here's what makes it extraordinary: the power of the heart. Jess Heslop's meditation starts by drawing your awareness to your heart space, the seat of intuition and emotional wisdom. This isn't just about relaxation, it's about opening yourself to a powerful flow of energy and insight. Emotional alchemy. Have you ever felt weighed down by emotions you can't quite name? Jess's techniques guide you to identify and release these blocks. Through visualization and focused breathing, you can transform anxiety, fear, and doubt into confidence, love, and gratitude. Manifestation with precision. Most people struggle to manifest because their intentions lack clarity. Jess's method helps you fine-tune your desires, align your energy, and attract the outcomes you truly want. Grounding in nature's energy. Many of Jess's practices incorporate visualizations that connect you to the natural world, helping you feel anchored and supported by something larger than yourself. Here's a fascinating detail. Jess often talks about the hidden power of stillness. This concept teaches that true breakthroughs happen not when you're chasing solutions, but when you pause, breathe, and allow answers to rise from within. Tips and suggestions to maximize results. Now let me share some insider tips to get the best results from Jess Heslop meditation. 1. Set an intention before you begin. What do you want to heal or achieve today? Setting a clear intention will focus your energy during the meditation. 2. Use her unique phrases. Jess often uses affirmations like "I am safe in the stillness" and "I trust the wisdom within me." Repeat these during your practice to deepen the experience. 3. Tune into her guided meditations. Jess's voice carries a calming energy that enhances the meditative state. If you haven't already, explore her guided sessions. Her words feel like a warm embrace. 4. Incorporate nature. If possible, practice near a window or outside. Even hearing birds or feeling the breeze can amplify the grounding effects of her meditations. 5. Stay curious. Jess often says that meditation is like peeling back the layers of an onion. Every session reveals something new about yourself. Approach it with curiosity not judgment. Now that you've taken the first step into the world of Jess Heslop meditation, let me leave you with this thought. What if this is just the beginning of something far greater than you ever imagined? What if the answers you've been seeking are closer than you think, waiting for you to uncover them? If this resonates with you, don't keep this discovery to yourself. Like this video to affirm your commitment to growth. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe to this channel so we can continue exploring these hidden truths together. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because the next video might just hold the next piece of the puzzle you've been searching for. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next chapter of your journey.